Hi, welcome to IPMC's podcast. So today's podcast is for Costex. How to import BOQ from Excel into Costex. We are Infinity PMG Solutions, a project management and cost management solution provider. We provide software licensing, implementation services for Primavera and Costex, software training, maintenance and support, staff augmentation. We have a combined experience of 20 years in a project and cost management domain with 1000 plus hours of training experience for educational institutions and top corporates. We have certified trainers from Oracle, Exactel, and PMI. Costex is a digital estimating tool with single integrated platform. We can have our drawings, 3D models, estimates, rate files, everything in a one single tool. Key features of Costex are 2D measurement, BIM takeoff, auto revisioning, estimating workbook, and report writer. So today we'll see how to import BOQ into Costex directly. I have opened Costex. My particular this building doesn't contain any drawings or quantities. Let me say I have an instant BOQ that needs to be imported into Costex directly. So before importing BOQ, I'll just explain how the particular Excel should be structured in a way to import your BOQ into Costex. So this is my BOQ. I have restructured in a way that my A column should contain the code, B is my description, C unit of measurement, D quantity, E rate, and F if you have totals you can include totals, and G column is where I have entered the levels. So at what workbook level my these details in the Costex workbook should be entered into. So now I'll go to Costex. Before importing that, I'll just explain what are those levels. I'll add a blank workbook, naming it as 1. So when a new workbook is created, so this is my cost sheet or abstract sheet. So this is my level 1. If you double click and go inside the subtotal, this is my level 2. If you just go to this arrow, it will indicate you are in what level and what is your one level before. Same way, if you double click one more level, it will be drilled down to level 3. So now I'm in level 3. This is my level 4. You can identify with these description boxes also. So this is how your levels will be calculated in Costex. So now I import the particular structure of workbook what I have entered or I have created. So I'll go to add, import workbook from Excel. I'll select, I select that particular Excel. In that Excel sheet, I have 3 different sheets. One is abstract sheet, second one is sheet 1, sheet 2. So if you want 2 different sheets means you can select 2 different sheets. So as of now, I need only the sheet 2. So I'm selecting the sheet 2. Next is the import control column. So in our Excel, G column contains the import control column. It is nothing but you would have mentioned to what workbook level your details should be going to be placed. So that is what the import control column. So here my import control column is G. Description column. Again description column is B. So I'll select description column as B. If any blank rows are there in Excel, whether it need to be imported, yes, I'm selecting yes. You can see level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4. If you want any formatting, you can do formatting also. So level 1, I'm just making as bold. The same way, level 2, I'm not doing anything. Go to preview. Here you can see level 1. So we have structured in a way, right? So it has been structured in what way we have represented in the Excel, right? This is a row number. So this, I'll just right click and assign a heading as code. Same way, this is my description. Third column is my unit of measurement. So just right click, assign unit. Final, this one is my quantity and this is my rate. So now I have structured in a way. I'll import this. Okay, now you can see 1, 2, just 2 headings are there. If I go inside structure, you can see earthwork, concrete, formwork, reinforcement. If you go to earthwork, again you can see much more detail. So we have drilled our details till level 3. Let me return back, go to concrete. You can see PCC, RCC and other details. Let me go back, formwork, details of formwork with quantity units. I'll directly go to first level and go to finishers. Here again I have brickwork, plastering, hard finishers, waterproofing, doors and windows. Go to brickwork and I have details with description, quantity, unit of measurement, the same way. Plastering, hard finishers, same way. Waterproofing and doors and windows. So you can structure your BOQ in a manner with levels. So this G column is what your import control column. So this 1, 2, 3 indicates your workbook level 1, level 2, level 3. So you can structure your workbook into Costex how you want to import that directly from Excel by using that control column. So if you wanted to a level 8 also, you can just assign the level number here in the G column. So thank you. We'll meet in the next podcast series. For more details, please reach us at info@ipmcs.in. Thank you.